Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts on Shopify. So the process is a bit complicated, so make sure to follow along. The first thing of course is we want to download a font. You can use an example, this website, I'm using thefonts.com. You can use it to download any fonts that you want. If you already have the fonts that you want, that is even better. Normally, once you download any font, you would have it in .ttf format. So this is a little bit slow and it will slow down your website. It would be better to transform it into a WOFF or a WOFF2. Both of them is very good because TTF works but very heavy on your website. So from here, you can go and click on select file, make sure to select your TTF font and click on convert. Once it's converted, make sure to click on download and click on save. Now we will be able to go back to our Shopify. On the left panel right here, make sure to go and click on content. Here, click on files because you will find yourself on meta objects. Right here, all you need to do, go to the top right, click on upload files and make sure to upload the .woff file that you just downloaded. Just go and upload it, wait a little bit until it is uploaded. But as you can see here for me, I find this issue, which is the file is not supported on trial account. So you would have a plan, or you will need to have a plan in order to complete the custom fonts. So let's say for you it's uploaded because you already have your plan. Now we will need to use an AI prompt to create a very short code for us. The link for this AI prompt will be in the description. So all you need to do, just go and copy this code and go to any AI tool, ChatGPT is preferred, and paste that here. So what you'll need to do is simply change the font's URL. Where can you get that from? You will find it basically on the fonts that you downloaded. So let's just say, as an example, this is the fonts that we downloaded. This image for me, let's just say it's the font. All you need to do, just go to the right of it and you'll find the copy link. So once you click on copy link, you can go back to ChatGPT and as I said, replace this with your link. So click on enter and it will generate a code for you. You'll have to wait for that code. It should not take a lot of time. And then you'll have to copy the code that is presented to you by ChatGPT or any other AI tool that you wanted to use. So let me just wait. Of course, he's telling me, oh, the URL that I'm provided is .jpg, which is an image, but it's fine. As you can see, they're telling me just to replace the URL with the font URL. So we'll have just to copy this code. And now we'll go back to my store on Shopify. Go on the left panel, click on my store. And normally this will work with any theme that you have. But you can duplicate normally the store that you're using. So you can make the changes on it. And if you like it, you can publish that. For me, I'm not going to do so. So here I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to click on edit code. Once I do so, I'll open, or Shopify will open a new tab. Of course, on the left panel of that tab, I'll find a lot of stuff right here. Basically, on here, on left, I'll have to open layout and click on theme liquid. So from here, I'll have to locate this head. On this head as an example, let me just zoom for you. So as you can see, I'm going to do an enter. So I need to make an enter to make space for my code. Now I'm going to click on Control V, or basically paste the code that ChatGPT gives me. Of course, you will need to remember to replace the URL, but for you, if you copied the right URL, you don't have to do anything. Now you can go at the top right, click on save to save everything, and you should be good to go. One thing before we close that is if you want to apply this custom theme only for the headings, make sure to delete any other sections. Like all those sections, make sure to delete them. If you want to apply it for any other section other than the heading, make sure to delete these headings. And that's basically all you need to know. Once you make all the changes that you want, make sure again to click on the save button. And now you can go and quit this. And now, of course, if you go and click on view your site, the normal font will be changed to whatever font you downloaded. So a custom font will be applied to your Shopify store. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.